Hi, Ellie. Are you holding your baby brother?
Yeah.
What's his name? What's his name?
Noah.
Noah. And are you the big sister?
Yeah.
And is Noah the baby brother?
Yeah.
Oh, Ellie, that is so good. You're doing such a good job.
See, I move his head just a little bit because he likes to be around. You want to put your arm under here? He's starting to get hungry. He's got a diaper on. Are you still holding?
Yeah.
Or do you want Daddy to take him?
No, it's mine.
See, I'm just rocking his head because he likes that. You're so nice and gentle, sweetie.
It's best. My arm is so
You're so gentle. You're so gentle.
ready. So my arm is so